when you step in our plant, you will see we put our logo right here, and the Chinese name is 荣耀先进, and the English name is Glory Advance.
Nah ini teman-teman, kita datang ke pabrik sejak ini perusahaan Taiwan.
Okay, so let's see from here
dari
first.
Tahun 75. Nah sekarang dia salah satu pabrik adanya di daerah.
Now this is some kind of
Tungguan.
mass flow meter that we use.
Oh,
Mass flow meter.
mass flow meter.
We use Germany Kron. Germany brand. So the material and the parts that we use, most of them they are all import, not made in China. Import parts. So we use a lot of like USA product and Germany product, and also Japanese product. So we are a Taiwanese company, but we just located in China. And this is a horizontal sliter. That this machine I sell. This kind of horizontal sliter, I sell more than 30 machines. More than 30 machines to USA.
Okay.
So we have a lot of USA customers that using this kind of horizontal sliter to cut the memory foam.
Cut memory foam.
Measurized to cut memory foam.
Ini khusus untuk cutting memory foam, tapi dia udah banyak jual ke Amerika. Jadi karena busa memory foam itu sangat lembut nih, soft ya. Jadi nah ini dia mesinnya harus agak spesial untuk motong ini. Nah ini ada di bawah dia pakai vacuum ya, vakum.
Yes.
Supaya nggak gerak ya. Yuk, 下面有用那 vacuum 啊。
Vacuum.
Nah ini.
这里会 put vacuum.
Nah dia ada vakum. Jadi busa itu lebih stabil, nggak bergerak gitu. Oke teman-teman, kita coba lihat yang lain.
The new type of cut-off saw. New type of cutting machine. To put on the foaming machine. So you will see there's two blades. Two different kind of blade. This one is circulation blade, and this is reciprocated blade. So you can see this kind of cutting machine as one is like major cutting. This standby, because when you use a blade, bent blade, sometimes when you cut, this broken. Because so when it's broken, you can use this one to cut it. So that you don't need to stop the machine, you don't need to stop the production, and you can still continuous cutting.
Standby.
Or you can use this as major and this as standby. So this can be like a substitution.
Dia karena dia punya mesin ini kan continuous foaming. Kalau ini kan cut off di belakang. Jadi mesin itu kalau misalnya pisaunya putus, ini dia bisa langsung tanpa berhenti tetap jalan, tetap bisa cut off. Karena produksi kan, kamu produksi balokan short block, kamu harus ada cadangan. Kalau enggak kan dia putus kan dia nyangkut. Sedangkan waktu foaming, kecepatan 5 sampai 8 meter per menit itu jalan terus. Nah sedangkan dia harus ada standby itu lebih. Ini teknologi, new teknologi ya. 新款的那个。
对，这是新款的。对，最新款的。
Selain dia lagi setting nih.
This is continuous machine.
这个订单是哪里